Happy Saturday, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I'm from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, I want to introduce you to one hidden tip that can help you enhance your streaming experience by giving you control of all devices. Let's take a look. Okay, guys, I am back. Thank you so much for tuning in, maybe watching on Saturday. Maybe you've seen this on Sunday or next week. My name is Jeff. I'm from the Stream Machines YouTube channel. I also own a website called theboxman.com, where we change the way that you should watch TV. In this video, I just want to cover something that I figured out or have been asking questions about. And it really, once we understand it, if you have the ability, which I believe most newer devices have this ability, it gives you the ability to control all the devices connected, let's say, to an HDMI ecosystem, an HDMI system. So I want to show you real quick before I go into the information about it. Maybe you've seen this before. I'm going to go to settings. And I'm going to go to device preferences. And if you go to HDMI-CEC, these four controls, once you learn what HDMI-CEC is, it is one of the most powerful things that are on Android devices right now. So without any further ado, I'm going to shift, and I went over some information about what this means. I know what an HDMI is, but what is CMC? And it's right there, Consumer Electronic Control. But what does it do? So we're going to take a look at that and then come back from the end of the video as we have free giveaways and other things to share with you. So let's jump. Okay, guys, I've shifted into this little slideshow about HDMI-CEC. Maybe you've seen it on your device. I have seen it several times, and I always ask questions, and the question is, what does it do? So what is HDMI-CEC? HDMI, Consumer Electronics Control, or HDMI-CEC, is an HDMI feature on many of the TVs now and many of the media devices. This feature makes your devices work better together, but is often disabled when you get them. So in other words, when you use HDMI-CEC, turn it on, it begins to bring all of your devices together that might be connected to that HDMI port. Now, what is the purpose of HDMI-CEC? The purpose of HDMI-CEC is to allow a single remote control or device to control other devices in a multimedia setup. That means you have 8 devices, but one controller can control all of them. It allows for both the user-driven control of devices, me by remote control, as well as the automated actions from the box performed by devices on your behalf. HDMI-CEC allows devices connected to your TV through your ports to communicate back and forth with your TV or your other devices. HDMI-CEC makes it possible for you to control maybe a Blu-ray player or a streaming stick, Fire Stick attached to your TV using the TV's remote or vice versa. You can change or increase the volume, change the channel. It also makes it possible for your TV to automatically switch to the right HDMI port when you turn your devices on. So here's a summary real quick of some of the HDMI-CEC benefits. First one is one-touch play. Devices can turn on the TV when activated to provide immediate playback. Number 2, system standby. One device can tell all compatible devices to turn off or go into power saving mode or something called standby. Number 3, tuner control. It allows devices to control the channel tuning on another device, such as a TV or a cable box, That's important. Device menu control. The remote of one device can access or change the menu entries of another. A device can tell another device to switch HDMI inputs to accommodate it. In other words, they communicate on the same system. And lastly, system audio control. One remote can be used to change the volume on the attached devices. So that's a very brief summary of what HDMI-CEC looks like and some of the benefits. Because on the Formula device, I'm going to show you a picture right after this video of I turn all these on and what that looks like. Let's go right into that.
Wow, I hope that information was okay for you. I didn't know any of that until I done and started doing a lot of research on it. But these four things, this HDMI-CEC is a powerful thing. I've used it on and tried it because I have a PS5 controlled from the same HDMI, and I think I have another box. So I tried it out with my PS5 and another device. It makes it very easy for me to switch with one remote control. I can control my TV, I can control the Formula, I can control my PS5 with my Formula remote. It is an ecosystem when you allow this to work the way it's supposed to. So these four things, I never knew what that meant. So when I always try things, so I like the fact that I can turn these on and turn these off. But if I want to allow the TV to turn on and to control the Formula, I can do that. If I want to turn off my TV when the Formula sleeps, I can do that. I can wake it up with the same remote. Everything is available on these three or four things, and it's very powerful. Also, I would do some research because I have a Samsung. Maybe you have a Vizio TV, and maybe you don't have a device. That's okay. You can still set it up inside the smart TVs. All smart TVs in 2024 or 2020s, they have this HDMI-CEC, which is a very, very powerful tool that should enhance your streaming experience. I'm going to close out this Saturday's video by thanking everyone for tuning in to our small channel called The Stream Machines on YouTube. I thank everyone for continuing to watch the content and giving me a thumbs up. Do the same thing. If you like this video, before you close, just help a brother out. Hit that like button. It really helps us with the algorithm of YouTube. And I want to leave this video. I'm making this offer to anyone that wants it. Every month, we're going to give away either a Z11 Pro Max from Formula or a Z11 Pro or maybe a Mini. This month, it's a Formula Z11 Pro Max. Super simple for you to enter this free giveaway. Please text the word Z11 to this number, 858-212-0841. Again, text Z11 to 858-212-0841. Send that message and you will follow the automatic prompts where you just give your first name and then you're submitted yourself into the free giveaway. If you don't do this, you won't be submitted. So you have to send that message once you text Z11 to that number so you can follow the prompts. On June 30th, we will have a drawing and we will contact the winner either by text or by phone because we will need your shipping address to ship that to you on us. Okay? We appreciate you watching our videos or my videos. I'm really excited about what's coming up next, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend.